Yesterday's high looks really good. Mhm. Sweet, what's up? Good morning, good morning, good morning. 8:23, let's go. Yesterday's high, sick level. Will we get to it? Same level I liked yesterday. No bias lock today. Hard sweep of yesterday's low overnight, strong rejection. So we are now 50% of this range here. Mark out London's high or whatever that is. This level here, I want 50% of this range. And let's go to 1 minute. Let's put New York open on here, 8:30, boom. What are we seeing? Obviously lows here. There's liquidity down here. This is the 200. So price could easily tap this, push up before taking this, or vice versa. Nothing too super duper clear. Have a slight long bias for the day. Let's see. Current macro. Let's see. Jackson Hole. This is the news event today. I mean, should we put that on? Should we? Let's see here. I'm not gonna listen to this now for the open because I don't care, but I might put on Paul speaking if I can find him in a bit. So let's see. Right. 8:25 algo comes in selling. How do we feel about this? High being taken here before reversing. It's like a micro liquidity sweep, which is what I like to see. So we could be going down to this 200 first. As of now, that's what I like before returning up. However, if we sweep this and then start turning up, then that might be all we need too. Below the 20, we're in between the 20 and the 200, so it's a little bit of a trap zone. Not overly pumped about that. Support is yesterday's low. Resistance is yesterday's high. And I will also say 50% of the range, which is about 23,429. Key level is still 23,368, I think it is. I want to see a inducement here. This is nice though. This harsh strong rejection slash reclaiming this area. I mean this push down, strong push back up. Tempting to take this here, but just before the open, can see it chop a bit. I'm leaning long. Open, but need a super clean signal. Need clean trigger. And then I like a long toward 23,368. No bias lock. All right. Plan is done. Alrighty. Some nice volatility here. Not sure exactly what to make of this. Would kind of want to see this get swept proper before shorts look really good. So I'm still kind of leaning towards a long. Would be nice to take a long from here. If this failed right here and then gave me a long trigger, that would just be money. This failing to break below this is pretty nice though. Tempting to enter early. Getting bullish vibes, but got to be a little careful. So this is a little bit of a consolidation. We're in the middle of a range here. Don't want to lose the forest for the trees, as they say. Dang, I have a cracked camera. All right, well, it did sort of sweep that, but I'm got to be leaning long here.
Order field. Order field.
Ooh, almost. Kept it really tight, though. If it was going to run, it should have ran. Okay. Hard to flip bias that fast, to flip short, but definitely could have. Let's see what it wants to do with this 200. Damn, Google. Google's gapping way up. Apple's gapping way up. Nvidia's gapping down. Okay. Slicing right through the new day opening gap. Tricky here. Tricky here.
Order rejected. Order failed.
Worth the shot. This would bounce off the 200. I accidentally clicked the buy button twice there. How? That doesn't make any sense. How did I just lose 70 bucks? Didn't even hit my stop. Hmm. 239. I mean, 239, 228. 10 points? Dang, and I wasn't wrong, too. This entry here should have been good. Barely got stopped up. All right, no worries. Shake it off, baby. That's what risk management's for. Okay, locked out, no big deal. What am I trying to do here? Turn this off. Save. Here we go. Here we go. Actually, want to go here. Dismiss. Get my drawings. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Push up to the 20, back down to the, let's see here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Killed that. Didn't like it. Didn't like the look of it. I don't like this. If anything, I'll take another long from down here. So I'm not sure that I even like a long at this point. I kind of do though. Kind of do. I just feel like I need to be really patient with it. Let's see. I don't need to trade. Choose to manage risk. I don't need to trade. I choose to manage risk.
Order
I like
filled.
from this 50. Push up here. Wants to go. Friday, baby. Let's go. Nice. $23,368. That's this level here. Hmm. Hmm. Thinking about adding here. Just don't want to be greedy, but because I'm contemplating taking one off. I'm building a risk tolerant mindset. 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 Risk tolerant mindset. I'm building a risk tolerant mindset. I'm building a risk tolerant mindset. I'm building a risk tolerant mindset. Let's go, baby. Nice.
Order
I'll
filled.
take $100 contract. Gonna float. I'm floating $100 right now. I'm trying to make 240. Let's go, baby. So I added, forgot that I was streaming here. Um, so Paul's talking in 12 minutes. Let's look at the execution on this last trade. Entered 5 long here, little early. Got out because I didn't know if this was going to fail. Wanted to make sure. Full in, full out. Then out, re-entered. Took 3 off at this overnight level. Took 1 more off into strength right at this 296, so 300. Thought maybe push, 1 more push. Could have been a fake out here. So just wanted to take 1 more off. And then once we got here, I still like this as the draw. As we started to get this pullback, I wanted to add some more. So I did. I'm actually curious how long I was in this trade. So I just want to go to the 1 second chart and count these seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. On the dot. Dang, I tried to wait 10 seconds at least, and I should have waited a little bit longer. I'm not supposed to take trades that are less than 10 seconds in this account, so this trade, the profit might be taken away from this trade, which is super aggravating. Let's see here. That is annoying. All right, so I'm about to get my level. This 23,368 level. This could be a Judas too. We could be going for an outside day. So take yesterday's high here. We already took yesterday's low, outside day, and then just kind of hang around. Also could definitely trend. There's a lot of inefficiencies and just liquidity. Everyone that's short, you can just start running against them. Might get a little squeeze here. The weekly candle is obviously bearish. Tap back into last week's low. So let's just see. Nice 50% retracement. Strong push back. Just waiting, just the fact that news is here. Not sure why price wouldn't kind of just hang around and wait to explode in either direction for news when liquidity comes in. Yeah, liquidity. Just more orders. I might try to front run it a bit if I can get a low risk entry with a little bit of So this is nice. I like this. This is the fake out because this is what I noticed, 50% pullback reaction. Reversed on them, faked them out, possibly stopped them out here. So I like this long more than I like this long. But these wicks, and that's a nice reversal bar right here. I do like this draw, but news coming, so I'm just gonna humbly wait, let it go without me if it needs to. Dang, duration 10 seconds on the dot, man. That's annoying. $31, so at least it's not much. $102. 10 seconds. %50, 20 period, overnight high, open range high, all lining up in the golden box here. So could see it fail to around here, hover around here for when news opens to get people interested in both directions. Ultimately, I think we're going up here. Oh no. I gotta tighten my chair. Like this. Okay. A flag here. Some public analytics. Yo, if you're watching the stream, bro, say what's up in the chat. All right, so we're in the retracement box. Will we proceed to the target box? All right. Shouldn't cut through too deeply through this area. All right, it's kind of fun. kind of fun. Dude, I mean, this is just so sweet. Can you see how sweet this is? Look at this reversal bar at the top on the 1 minute. It's just pretty. Upper tail is much longer than the lower tail. Close is lower than the previous close. Nice fake out. So buyers are trapped here. Let's just see if the 20 wants to hold. Ooh, I don't know. I don't know. It doesn't look good. Here we go. Is it going to fail hard? Up, up. This looks like it wants to just take this out here. Dirty and then run. I think we need to get back above this. About to say one contract here. Low risk to reward. But news is coming. Tempted to be long here.
Order filled.
Dang, I need to hold it for 10 seconds. Go. Go. Give me 10 seconds. That was 10 seconds, I think. There we go. Run. Nice. One contract, 300 bucks. Let's go. Is it worth trying to let it run? I gotta run is the problem here. Skadoosh. Let's go. 301 contract. Let's go. Dude, this freaking volatility is crazy. Holy moly. Where is this thing going? Alrighty then. $352. Thank you, God. And with that, I'm going to be done for the day, guys. Appreciate you. Let's cancel the stream here, my guys. All right. Peace out.